Stuck at the airport? Or maybe your flight's delayed, canceled, or maybe your luggage didn't show up. Well, most people just wait in line and hope for the best. But today, I'm gonna show you how to do something a lot smarter. So this video, we're gonna show you how to use ChatGPT as your personal airline concierge to solve those problems faster than any travel agent or customer service line. And so here's a twist. I'm not just gonna give you hacks. I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to truly be an expert so you can unlock insider level information on demand.
What's up, YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure, like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies.
So this is part 3 of our ChatGPT Travel Unlock series. And if you missed part 1 and 2, where we show you how to use ChatGPT to turn that into your personal trip planner or cruise concierge, we've got the full link to that full playlist right up here so you can catch up. So airports right now are chaotic, right? So flights are getting canceled, luggage is going missing, customer service lines are out the door, and travelers are left stressed and sometimes stuck. But here's the bigger issue. Most people don't know their rights. There are actual laws that the US Department of Transportation allows new passenger rights, rules. You've got European laws and policies, etc. And there are actually airline-specific guarantees that protect you when things go wrong. For example, did you know that some airlines actually owe you meal vouchers after a 3-hour delay? Or that airlines might have to pay you if your bag takes too long to come out after you land, or that you can actually request rebooking on another airline when your flight gets canceled. But here's the thing, those rules are constantly changing. They're hard to keep up with, but they also vary airline to airline or destination and country to country. So again, memorizing all this, that's not realistic. But this is where ChatGPT can memorize it all for you. And so that's why we're actually building our own personal travel prompt database. And so we're training ChatGPT to give us expert level specific advice for any travel problem on demand. And today, I'm going to give you 5 problem prompts that you can steal right now to do the same. Let's go ahead and get into prompt number 1. So again, if you revert back to our first video, we want to make sure you're using the RTCT method. You want to talk about the role, the task, the content, and the tone. And so again, make ChatGPT take on the role of a real expert, not just a search engine. So prompt number 1. Prompt number 1 is going to be your flight delay compensation or meal voucher problem. So again, you're stuck here at the airport for hours and no one's helping you. So here's a prompt you're going to use. Act like a senior customer service agent at insert your airline with 15 plus years of experience handling delays. Help me write a polite but firm message to request meal vouchers or compensation for insert the amount of hours you're delayed, and then reference insert your airline specifically, current policy, and if it applies, mention the US DOT, Department of Transportation guidelines or any other rules that may apply. Make the tone respectful but confident so that agent feels good about helping you. Prompt number 2, the free seat upgrade request. So here's your problem. You want to ask for an upgrade, but you don't want to sound like that guy. So here's a prompt just for you. Act like a gate agent supervisor at Delta or whatever specific airline with 10 plus years of customer service experience. Years of experience is very important here. So write me a friendly script to ask about a complimentary seat upgrade at the gate, only if any seats are available. So again, mention my loyalty status or special occasions if relevant. I want to frame this request so that the agent wants to help me. Prompt number 3, rebooking after a cancellation. So here's your problem. Your flight gets canceled and the airline is offering you terrible rebooking options. Nothing just seems to work. So here's a prompt to help solve that. Act like a flight rebooking specialist with 20 plus years of experience. Give me 3 better options to get from city A to city B today. Include nearby airports, partner airlines, or flexible times. Then write a message I can send to insert your airline, asking for this in a way that's polite, but also gets results. Also, did you know that in the US, airlines don't have to rebook you on other carriers, but sometimes they will if you ask the right way. So again, this is where ChatGPT can actually help you phrase your prompt or your response in that way. Prompt number 4, your lost luggage crisis plan. So again, this is your problem. Your bag didn't arrive when you needed to, and so now you're stuck. So here's a prompt for you. Act like a baggage service manager at Delta, United, again, your specific airline, with 15 plus years of experience. Give me a step-by-step plan to report the lost luggage, request a baggage allowance for essentials, and follow up for reimbursement or delivery. Include airline-specific timelines for lost luggage, claims, compensation, and make the tone cooperative but serious. Do your research, ChatGPT, on specific airline policies or DOT policies related to this item. So prompt number 5, lounge access hack. So here's your problem. Your flight's delayed for hours and you don't have lounge access. Here's a prompt for you. Act like an airport lounge concierge at insert the actual airport with expertise in day pass sales, credit card partnerships, and flight delay expectations. Give me creative ways to access the lounge today, even if I don't have status, like buying a day pass, checking if my delayed flight qualifies me for an exemption, or asking about partnered credit cards. Help me ask in a way that makes the staff want to help me. Quick pause here when we talk about ChatGPT. There's a free and a paid version. So all these prompts work well on the free version. But if you are using the paid version, ChatGPT 4.0 will get you better results. So again, it handles multi-step reasonings, helps you understand legal policies faster, and gives you more advanced solutions, especially for complex travel problems. So I believe right now it's about $20 a month. And for our expertise, we highly recommend it. So as we mentioned earlier, we're building our personal travel prompt database right now so that no matter where we are in the world, we're ready. And no matter what problem we encounter, we're ready. And so if you want to copy when it's done, just comment down the word prompt below and we'll send it your way when it's ready. And so again, as we mentioned earlier in the video, if you missed part 1 or part 2 of this series on how to use ChatGPT as your personal trip concierge and how to unlock cruise perks, click the playlist link above here to catch up, because again, we go over specific details, tips, and hacks to make sure that you're not only a travel expert, but you're also learning how to effectively use ChatGPT along the way. And so I'm Matt from the Adventure Buddies, and if you found this video helpful, please consider giving us that big thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button for more travel tips and adventures, and most importantly, remember, life's an adventure. What are you going on?